Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Today we will learn how to do counting for numbers between 20 and 50. Now friends, in the previous videos we used some funny rhymes to learn how to count from 1 to 10, 10 to 20, and also we learned skip counting in Hindi from 0 till 100, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. I will place a link of all these videos in the description box in case you want to revisit them once again. Now friends, today we will learn how to count between 20 and 50, but before that we'll just do a quick revision of all the numbers in Hindi from 1 till 20. So 1 is ek, 2 is do, 3 is teen, 4 is char, 5 is panch, 6 is छः, 7 is सात, 8 is आठ, 9 is नौ, 10 is 10, 11 is 11, 12 is 12, 13 is 13, 14 is 14, 15 is 15, 16 is 16, 17 is 17, 18 is 18, 19 is 19 and 20 is 20. Now friends, let's focus on numbers from 21 until 50. Now here are my quick tips for you to remember the numbers in an easy way. Number 1, all numbers like between 20 and 28, 30 and 38, 40 and 48 will always end with an double es at the end. 21, 22, 23. So we'll always have es at the end of them. The second tip is that the number before a tens will always have a un along with a part of the tense name with it. Let's understand with the help of an example. For example, let's take the number 29, right? So the next tense number for 29 is 30. 30 is known as 30. So 29 will become un plus what we call these in 30 in Hindi, these. So un plus these becomes untis. Similarly, 40. 40 is known as chalis. So 39 will become un plus a part of chalis and it becomes untalis. Similarly, 50. 50 is known as pachas. So 49 will be un plus a part of pachas. We take chas. So un plus chas becomes unchas. Now friends, let's start with our learning. 21 is known as ikkis. 22 is known as bais. 23 is teis. 24 is chaubis. 25 is pachis, pachis. 26 is chabbis. 27 is sattais, sattais. 28 is 28, 28. 29 is 29, 29. 30 is 30. 31 is 31, 31, 31. 32 is 32, 32. 33 is 33. 34 is 34, 34. 35 is 35, 35. 36 is 36, 36. 37 is 37, 37. 38 is 38, 38. 39 is 39, 39. Just remember the rule. And then comes 40, that is 40. Then comes 41, that is 41. 42 is 42. 43 is 43. 44 is 44. 45 is 45. 46 is 46. 47 is 47. 48 is 48. 49 is 49, 49. And 50 is 50. So friends, I hope you could relate the rules that all numbers between 20 and 28, 30 and 38, 40 and 48 all end with an is at the end. And all numbers which are one less than the tens number, that is 49 is one less than 50, 39 is one less than 40, 29 is one less than 30. They all have un and a part of the tens next to them in them, right? So un plus chas becomes 49, that is 49. Un plus a part of 40 becomes 39, that is 39. Or un plus 30 becomes 29, that is 29. So friends, I hope this video helped you understand and made it easier for you, I hope, to learn the numbers between 20 and 50. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.